Hi guys, so to book Lyft Airline, you go to www.lyft.co.za. You've got a customer login, agent login, your booking flight, managing flight, and check-in. So you can see it's yellow and bright. The other disadvantage of this, guys, if you're in Durban, I'm sorry for you because you won't be able to fly or take this flight to go anywhere because it only has 2 round trips from Cape Town to Johannesburg. Since Valentine is coming, I'm thinking, baby, let me book me a ticket to Cape Town. So I'm just gonna book a ticket from Johannesburg to Cape Town just to show you how easy it is to book a ticket. It took me less than 5 minutes to complete my booking. The other thing that I love is the fact that their calendar already have the full amount. I know other flights do have this, but then I feel like this one is more simplified because their calendar just have everything for all months. You don't have to go on a specific day to see how much that day is costing for all the months. So I feel like that's also the great thing about it. And the also advantage about this flight is also that it's very cheap. You guys can see it's fast plus 500 rand and all of that. So it doesn't really mean that on that day it's going to be 500 rand, but obviously you will get a flight for 500 rand on that day. If not, it's gonna be close to that amount. But yeah, so far I've been getting the same amount and I'm happy. It's either it's too early or late or in between. So yeah, I'm just gonna fasten this and then just show you, before I get to the part where I don't like, which is the extras. I just want to show you guys, as you guys can see, the price says 500 rand, and then there's a seat, there's also a baggage in, and so we are going to talk about that. You can see there, and then on the side is the calendar. So I'm just gonna pick my times and then proceed to extras so that you can see, because the last time when I booked my ticket, that's one thing which I didn't even pay attention to. I was so quick. I was like, I just want to get out of here and I just want to get my ticket so that I can go to my destination. And guess what? I was shooketh. So I'll just pass everything quick, make everything go fast. And then if you guys want a tutorial, then you guys can say so, and then I'll be able to do that. So we're continuing to the place where I dislike the extras, right? So when I was booking the ticket, I was in a hurry because I needed a ticket for the following day and I was booking it at night. So in here, seat selection, I was like, I don't need a special seat. I just want to go and take my flight. So here, I didn't even bother reading the checked baggages and all of that. You guys can see it says checked baggage is about 100 rand. If it doesn't exceed the kg of 23 and all of that, like this is like, really guys, this is something that I didn't pay attention to. I just went ahead and continued with my booking, okay? And when I did come to the part of payment, paid my price, the amount that the flight costed, and did the confirmation. And guess what, guys? I was shocked when I went to drop my bag at the check-in counters, and this is what happened. For your bag. So I got the surprise when I was at the counter. I got a surprise when I was at the counter when I was dropping my bag, and then you said that no, I didn't say I have a bag. I know I'm laughing, but it wasn't funny, guys. At the counter, I was shocked. I even reacted because I was shocked. I mean, no one goes in on a website where there's an extra. No one wants to pay anything extra. When there's something extra, we skip. I don't know if it's me or because I'm that budget girl. I'm just that girl who's just so careful with their finances. But I mean, everybody does that. You don't want to pay something extra, and they put it as an extra as if you just want to put a specific seat for that flight to get a nice seat. And I was like, and easy on that kind of thing, and the surprise was you have to pay. But beside everything else, guys, the price is 100 rand. They charged me 100 rand for my bag. My bag was actually big, but it weighed less than 23 grams, of which I was okay with the price. Though I was not happy with the fact that their website did not put that or specify that clearly. So I guess that was one thing that I just didn't like. But anyway, guys, I saw the prices of the other flights. When it comes to the baggages, I still say this one is the cheapest, affordable, and yeah. Thank you so much to Lyft for viewing our videos and also for the voucher given. Thank you and enjoy. Bye.